Hi guys. Welcome to Luca Techty. In this video we will talk about top 5 world's most expensive science experiments. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start. Number 5. The International Space Station. Sometimes on clear nights you can look up into the sky and see the International Space Station zipping through the sky. It's further away than any airplane and moving faster than any of the stars behind it, and it's one of the most costly investments in the history of science. The construction of the ISS began in 1998 and it has been continuously occupied by researchers since 2000. The total cost of construction of the ISS is around $150 billion. So what goes on up there? Astronauts in the space station research how to live in space, and how future missions to Mars and the Moon could be achieved most effectively. Essentially, research about space and the human body's reaction to space is done in a way that it could not be on Earth. Number 4. The quantum computer. Speaking of missions to space, cell phones today have more processing power than the computers on the Apollo 11 mission to the Moon. While it's amazing to think about how much computers have changed and influenced space travel, it's even more amazing to think about how much potential there is in the future as computers only keep getting faster, a lot faster. NASA is currently working with Google to create the world's first quantum computer. This computer's processor will be about 3,600 times faster than the computers of today, which means some huge scientific advances will be possible in the near future. According to Brad Petras of Lockheed, quantum computing will be most beneficial initially in the fields of drug discovery, cybersecurity, business, finance, investment, healthcare, logistics, and planning. The quantum computer is one science experiment that will surely influence the science experiments of the future. At what cost? Once it's done, the estimated cost for the first quantum computers is $15 million. Number 3. Curiosity. To shed some light on how the development of computers has changed the way that scientists are able to study outer space, you don't need to look any further than the famous Curiosity. Curiosity is a robotic Mars explorer that landed on Mars in August of 2012 as a part of NASA's larger Mars exploration program. The goals of this rover's mission are to study geology and climate of the planet and to investigate whether the planet has ever had an environment where life could have occurred. Curiosity is also looking at the habitability of Mars, in preparation for a future human mission to our neighboring planet. The cost of Curiosity's mission was $2.5 billion, $8 for every American. Number 2. Cancer research. One thing that Watson will hopefully be able to do is catch cancer in its early stages, therefore making the disease more treatable. Doctors and scientists have been working around the clock for decades to find cures for all types of cancer, and this research is some of the most funded in the medical industry. So how much money goes into cancer research every year? According to the National Cancer Institute, $4.9 billion a year. Considering that more than 7.6 million people die every year from cancer, it seems like a small price to pay in order to find a cure. Number 1. Large Hadron Collider. Not to let the dream of discovering the Higgs boson particle die, the Large Hadron Collider was completed in 2008. Complete with a 27-kilometer ring of superconducting magnets, it is the most powerful particle accelerator in the world. The completion of this project cost $10 billion to construct. It paid off in the end, though, when the Higgs boson particle was finally discovered this year. The reason why this particle was so sought after by scientists, researchers, and governments is because it can help explain the Big Bang and how the universe was created. It is the same particle that is misleadingly referred to by some as the God particle. So what do you think about video? Let me know in the comments section below, or if you want to hear me again, be sure to subscribe our channel for future updates.